So hi guys, it's your girl Chichi baby, all the way from Zambia, living in Turkey. Guys, today I'm doing my chicken wings. I'm so sorry I didn't have time to make a video, but this is dinner tonight and I just decided maybe I should just record this for my channel. I have been so busy because of school, so I think maybe after 1 month, that's when we will continue cooking almost every day. So this is how I do my chicken wings. I first add a little bit of olive oil, one teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and this is the chicken wings. I don't want to wash the chicken wings because if I wash, they will be watery. So just put them like that. Barish, stop that. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this rest for 1 hour so that spice ingire. I'll just cover it. Barish, no, Barish, no, stop that. Just cover this. So after 1 hour, I put the wings in the oven. And it's time to get them out. Yummy! Look how delicious they look. This is so lovely, so delicious. You can eat them with rice, with potatoes, but I like to eat chicken wings with nshima. Ipangira hapo na tu super side na veggie au shuafi. Good to go. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye bye.